Ready?
Yep.
You want some? What is it? Here, have some. No? Not very good, huh? You're so funny! Want a little bit more? Here we go. Yum! Swallow! Can you do that? Here we go! Open your mouth! Yay!
Oh, good one.
Yum! That's exactly the way to do it. You grab it with your fingers and make a mess. Okay. It's like I'd rather eat the burnt pasta. Here we go. Do you like it? No? You look. Ooh. You like it? Can you swallow it? Can you swallow it? Kind of. That's not really swallowing it, that's sticking your tongue out. You want to try feeding him, Dad?
Sure.